Hi, today I'm making spicy tomato egg bites. I start with 4 eggs, a third of a cup of milk, 6 cherry tomatoes, and a eighth of a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I have red pepper, chili pepper, as well as green onions and sliced orange pepper. My seasonings for this are Italian seasoning, an eighth of a teaspoon, salt and pepper to taste. I have jalapeno oil, and this is what I'm going to saute my vegetables in. At this point, I add all my vegetables to the pan. I'm going to saute it briefly. I do cook my tomatoes a bit so that they will kind of break down a little bit in the mixture. I also, at this point, add more hot red pepper flakes if you like. This time I'm making it very mild. But I add my eggs, my milk. I go ahead and add the seasonings, the cheese, and I'm going to mix that. And again, this is where you can add your red pepper flakes if you like it really spicy. I'll add my tomato mixture to the eggs and finalize the process by spraying my muffin tin pans with Pam, as well as dipping the egg mixture into the cups. As you can see, again, very simple. And it takes about 15 minutes to bake. This is what it looks like. It can be as mild or as spicy as you like, but it's a great way to start the week.